rental property deductions. G'day, Peter Johnson here from Advisors Digest. Last year, the tax office really set the cat amongst the pigeons when they released draft taxation ruling TR 2025-D1, all about rental property deductions and really having a go at people that have holiday houses or Airbnbs where they tend to have them available for rent during the school term, but then they're always being used by the owner of the property during the school holidays. And so the tax office have had a go at all of these rental property owners. And this year, we're all going to have to be dealing with our clients come tax return time to say suddenly the rules have changed. And that's why at Advisors Digest in July, we have a special 1-hour webinar to take you right through draft taxation TR 2025-D1 and what it means for all of your clients with rental properties. Want to find out more? Click on the button below. I look forward to seeing you in the webinar.